Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry. Exercise 11.3. In that we will see today a second problem. Second one, okay. So second one is given like this. Show that in second one, first one as a problem. First one, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equals to 1. So all this, if you multiply, answer should be equal to 1. We have to show this. That means we have to take LHS. We have to take this LHS. This LHS, if you simplify, we need to get this answer, nothing but RHS answer. Okay, that's it. Okay, solution, you see how to solve this. Okay, to solve this we have to use this complementary angles formulas. Okay, yes. Now observe here, observe this. First two, totally we have 4 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so okay, let us take first LHS. That is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. This is LHS. We need to simplify now. Okay. We have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 4 terms, first 2 terms you convert in terms of cot. This both we have to convert in terms of cot. Otherwise, these both also we can convert. Suppose if I convert this both in terms of cot, then tan will be there, here cot will be there. We can cancel that. Both are reciprocal, so we can cancel. Okay. Yes. So first we will take this both and we will convert in terms of cot. First I will take this tan 48. Tan 48, how to write in terms of cot? We will see now. Here I will write. Okay. Yes. So we know that what we know? We know some formula, no? That is tan 90 degrees minus theta, or you take A minus A equals to cot A. This formula we know. Tan 90 minus A equals to cot A. This formula we know. Okay. Now tan 48 we have to get now tan 48. So A answer, how much we have to substitute to get the 48? We have to think that one. Okay. So tan 90 degrees minus A answer, how much we have to take? 90 minus that angle we have to get 48. So I am going to take A angle as 42 degrees. Why I am taking 42 degrees? 90 minus 42, 48 degrees we will get. This one we will get. Okay. Yes. Now cot A means what? 42 degrees. In the next step we will get the answer now. Tan 90 degrees minus 42 degrees, 48 degrees equals to cot 42 degrees. So one answer we got. Okay. Yes. What answer we got? I will write. I will mark here. This is one answer we got. Tan 48, this answer tan 48 is written as cot 42. Okay. In the same way, we need to find out for this tan 16 also. Tan 16. So again I will write the formula here. Tan 90 degrees minus A equals to cot A. Then tan 90 degrees minus A angle, how much we have to take for getting the 16? So that will be 90 minus 74 degrees equals to cot 74 degrees. Why I took 74? 90 minus 74 you will get 16, so it becomes tan 16, this answer. Okay, so tan 90 degrees minus 74, 16 degrees equals to cot 74 degrees. So second answer also we got. That is tan 16 value we got. Now substituting this, where we have to substitute? In this place. Tan 48, what is tan 48? Answer tan 48 cot 42. Substitute here, cot 42 degrees into tan 16 answer cot 74. Substitute here, cot 74 into remaining 2 as it is, you write tan 42 as it is into tan 74 as it is. These two only we need to convert, and remaining 2 as it is we have to write. Okay, yes. Now observe here, third step. Cot 42 is there, no? Cot 42 we can write as 1 by tan 42. This one cot 74 we can write as 1 by tan 74 into remaining 2 as it is, tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now we can cancel this tan 42 we can cancel. Okay, next we can cancel tan 74 we can cancel. So remaining will be what? Remaining will be 1. That's it. That is equals to RHS. So we took LHS, we simplified this by using these formulas, we got RHS answer 1. That's it. Simple problem. Okay, thank you.